390 Wagon Master here. Today in this video, we're going to show you how to use the built-in SWR meter on the President JFK III FCC. And it's very easy. It is just embedded in the menu function. So I'm going to show you the controls that we're going to be using for this demonstration. We're going to be using the F button for function. We're going to use the emergency button here for confirmation button, channel up down buttons here. You can also use the up down buttons on the microphone. So let's get into the menu. We're going to momentarily push the function button. When we do that, we're going to get an F up here in the corner. When we see that, we're going to push and hold the function button until it goes into the menu. So here we go. We're going to momentarily push it. We have the F up there. We're going to push and hold. We're into the function, or the menu functions, I should say. We were already on SWR, but here's what we have. We can go through all of these, and I will show a lot of these in future videos. So let's go to SWR. We're there. We're going to use the emergency button to confirm that we want that function. Okay, on the tuner here, we're on a dummy load, by the way, so we're not interfering with anybody. So I just artificially made a bad SWR of about a 2.3 to 1. So we can do this a couple different ways. You can stay in the vehicle and look, or if you can see this, maybe set it on your seat or something like that, and then watch the SWRs from the outside of the vehicle while you are adjusting them. That's fine, but I like how President incorporates this audible tone, so you can just jack that volume up as far as you want and adjust your antenna for the appropriate SWR. Some people are afraid of touching their antennas, and this isn't putting out enough power. It's only doing this with about a watt and a half, maybe 2 maximum on peaks. But if you want to, just wear a pair of gloves if you're worried about any RF burn. So we're going to turn this until we get a solid tone. As you can see, we're coming down in SWR, and when we reach the perfect SWR, we're just going to get a solid tone like that. All right, and to get out of this function, we can do a couple things. We could just hit the PTT button on the stock mic, or just hit the function button again. It's as easy as that. All right, leave questions or comments down below, and thanks for watching.